Hi, in this video I am going to discuss how to write limits and fractions in LaTeX using math symbols. First, let's see about limits. So the expressions is limit y tends to 0 sin y divided by y is equal to 1. Now let's see how to write it in LaTeX. Here double dollar sign is used to get the equation in a single line. So first limit in LaTeX is slash limit underscore y, right arrow is represented as slash right arrow with the value as 0. Then close the brackets. Then the fraction sin y divided by y is represented by fraction, so slash fraction open bracket, the first numerator slash sin y, and the value should be written within the brackets. So sin open the brackets y and close the bracket and close the numerator brackets. Then our denominator value is y with brackets is equal to 1. So if you are executing this commands, we will get the equation like this way in LaTeX. Compared to previous slide, the difference is here instead of right arrow we are using the left arrow. So I'm using begin equation statement with the end equations. So when we are using the begin equations, then the equation will come default. This 1:1 is I'm writing the equation in chapter 1. So it will represent it as chapter 1 equation 1. So now equation is start with slash limit underscore y slash left arrow and the arrow value is 0. Then the fraction slash sin y and the denominator value is y is equal to 1. After executing this equations, we will get the equation in LaTeX like this way. Now come back to previous slide, same equations, but the limits value is changed to infinity. So we are using with begin equation and end with end equation. In between we are writing the content. So slash limit slash y tends to left arrow. The value is slash infinity and close the brackets. Then slash fraction open bracket, write the numerator value. The sign is represented as slash sign. Numerator value is written within the brackets and the denominator value is written within the bracket and is equal to 1. So while executing these programs, we will get the resultant equation. Now let's see fractions. Fractions syntax is slash fraction numerator. Numerator should be written within the brackets and denominator should be written within the brackets. So here slash $2 open $2 and closed with $2. So in between we are writing the equation slash frac first bracket a and the second bracket 3. So it will produce the equation in a single line with a divided by 3. So this same way we can use another equations slash fraction y slash fraction 3 then slash fraction x plus b and closed with $2. Now this is the nested fraction. So one fraction is coming here, then another fraction is coming in the denominator. So the nested fractions, we are using one more fraction symbol. And this is another examples for fractions. Here we are labeling the equations with C4 equation 4, that is the equations will coming under chapter 4 with the equation number is 4. I am writing the equation in between the chapters, that's why C4 and equation 4 is coming like this way. So the equations are labeled as 4.4. Then we are writing the equations. Here the equations, the underscores are written p slash underscore. Here the slash underscore we should write within the brackets, then only both the pv values should be written in the underscore. Then hat symbol, that is to get the power, power values we have to write with the hat symbol. So this also have to write within the open closed brackets. So this is over. The next minus sign, now again p underscore slash pb, the hat symbol with the k. Then numerator value is over. Now the denominator values. Then here greater than symbol, greater than with a delta. Delta has to be written as slash delta symbol with the p. So this is for representation of delta p. Then end with equations. After executing this program, we will get the final equation like this. The previous slide example is considered again here. Here in that underscore and hat symbol, I haven't used the brackets. Curly brackets I haven't used. So in this case, I'm getting the equation like this. It's wrong one. We are getting confused. So in that underscores or hat symbol, we should write the values within the curly brackets, otherwise we will get wrong answer. Here the equation is labeled as equation C1 dot equation 4, and the underscore values are written within the brackets. Then here the fraction multiplication is written with an asterisk symbol. Otherwise we can use slash times to get the multiply symbol. Then the fraction, we are starting with the slash fraction slash beta sign to obtain this beta sign, and numerator is 1000. So only this part fraction we are using. So the final equation you will obtain this way. This is another example. Here we are labeling as chapter 1, equation number is 25. Then the equation we are starting with slash delta is the symbol for this delta, and in theta we are writing slash eta, and getting the multiplication sign we are using slash times. Then the fraction is coming this part, so 1 minus, then slash fraction is started, and this is the whole thing is powered with a. Now the end equation. So once executed, we will get the resultant equations. Some more examples for fractions are discussed here. Please go through it. In the same way, this is one big equations. Please go through the equations commands. Then this is one more equations. These are the packages required for math equations in LaTeX. Operators, and these are the negated symbols. Thank you.